When a toilet gurgles, it indicates that negative air pressure, suction, is building up in the drain line, creating an airlock. Somewhere down the drain there is a blockage. In a well-functioning drain system, air flows freely through the lines, preventing negative air pressure, so waste runs smoothly down and out. You will need to clear anything that is floating on the water, plus anything visibly stuck in the toilet. If it's further down, you can unblock the toilet with a plunger. Sometimes this problem will manifest itself as bubbles in the toilet water. Either way, you have a problem. This can happen when the toilet is clogged, the drain line or main line is clogged, blockage in the vent pipe or stack. There's a problem with the municipal sewer main. If a plunger doesn't work, you can try a plumbing or toilet auger. Drain snakes are too small and are usually reserved for smaller drains like your bathroom sink or the one in your kitchen. Renting or buying a plumbing auger can be expensive, so you have to weigh that up against the cost of hiring a plumber. If you have any doubt or concerns, it is recommended to call a professional plumber to prevent inadvertently causing more damage to your system. Make sure to avoid putting anything down your toilet that can potentially cause a blockage. Plumbing doesn't have to be a drain. For more information, visit tridentplumbing.com.